Did you know the average SUV costs over $12,000 a year to maintain when you include repairs, fuel, and insurance? But here is the truth. Some SUVs are so reliable they can outlast 3 generations of owners. Today, you will discover 7 SUVs you can buy and never worry about repairs again. Vehicles that can hit 300,000, 500, even 1,000,000 miles with basic care. And stick around to the end, because I'll expose 2 SUVs you should never buy, no matter how good they look on paper. Number 7. Toyota Highlander. If mechanics had a nightmare, it would be the Toyota Highlander owner. Why? Because these cars almost never break. Built as the refined sibling to the 4Runner, the Highlander combines Toyota's bulletproof engines with family-friendly comfort. According to IC Cars, it's one of the top 5 longest-lasting SUVs, with over 12% reaching 250,000 miles or more. The V6 from the 2010s is legendary. Owners routinely report 500,000 miles with only routine maintenance. And the newer hybrid versions are even better, up to 36 mpg, quieter ride, and fewer moving parts to fail. The average annual maintenance cost, around $400, nearly half the industry average. And if you want the best value, the 2017-2020 models are the sweet spot. Updated safety features, modern tech, and Toyota's classic reliability. Number 6. Honda CR-V. The Highlander might be Toyota's hero, but the Honda CR-V is its eternal rival, and it's finally catching up. The CR-V has been around since the late 90s, and some of those early models are still on the road today. According to multiple surveys, including Consumer Reports, over 25% of older CR-Vs surpass 250,000 miles with minimal issues. One key reason: Honda's 1.5L turbocharged engine paired with their refined CVT, one of the most durable in the market when maintained properly. Fuel economy hits 30 mpg combined, and resale value remains one of the highest in its class. The 2012-2016 generation is a gem. Reliable electronics, comfortable interior, and simple mechanics that make maintenance cheap. Average 10-year repair cost? Just under $7,000 compared to nearly $12,000 for most rivals. If you want a dependable daily driver that won't bleed your wallet, this one's a safe bet. For 5, Lexus GX. Now let's talk about the luxury tank that refuses to die. The Lexus GX, whether it's the older GX 470 or the newer GX 460, is the definition of over-engineering. Underneath the luxury badge hides a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado frame, a vehicle built to survive deserts, jungles, and decades. According to IC Cars, nearly 21% of GXs surpass 250,000 miles, which is unheard of for a luxury SUV. Its 4.6L V8 is basically bulletproof, and owners often go 300,000 plus miles with nothing but oil changes and brake pads. Yes, it only gets 17 mpg, but the trade-off is longevity. And while a brand new GX starts north of $65,000, a well-maintained 2013-2019 model will run forever for half the price. This is the car you buy once and pass down to your kids. Number 4. Subaru Forester. From luxury to practicality. The Subaru Forester is one of the most dependable compact SUVs of the last 2 decades. And it earned that title the hard way. A decade ago, Subaru struggled with oil-burning engines, but instead of hiding it, they fixed it. The result? The post-2016 Forester became one of the most reliable AWD SUVs in the world. Consumer Reports gave it a predicted reliability score of 98 out of 100, one of the highest ever recorded. The 2.5L Boxer engine delivers a perfect balance of power and longevity, while Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive gives it unmatched grip and stability on rough terrain. Just remember one thing: change the CVT fluid every 30,000 miles. Neglect that and you'll pay the price. But treat it right, and your Forester could last longer than most pickup trucks. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner. When it comes to indestructibility, the 4Runner is the stuff of legend. This SUV has been conquering trails for over 40 years, and nothing else comes close. According to IC Cars, 26.8% of all 4Runners exceed 250,000 miles, ranking it right behind the Toyota Sequoia. Its body-on-frame design, bulletproof V6, and simple drivetrain make it a favorite among mechanics. Many owners report original engines still running past 500,000 miles. The 2003-2009 fourth-generation 4Runner with the 4.7L V8 is particularly unstoppable. It's been known to hit 1 million miles with regular maintenance. Sure, it's thirsty at around 18 mpg, but reliability like this is priceless. If the apocalypse hits tomorrow, this is the SUV you'd want in your driveway. Number 2. Mazda CX-5. Here's a surprise for you. Mazda doesn't just make fun-to-drive cars, they make durable ones too. The CX-5 is Mazda's crown jewel, combining reliability with performance. RepairPal gives it 4.5 out of 5 stars for reliability, and it regularly tops owner satisfaction rankings. Unlike many modern SUVs, the CX-5 refuses to use a CVT. Instead, it's got a traditional 6-speed automatic, which means fewer breakdowns and smoother power delivery. Most owners report their CX-5s hitting 200,000 miles without major repairs, and the 2016-2018 models are especially praised for balance between tech, comfort, and dependability. Yes, the cabin is a bit smaller, but the handling and long-term reliability more than make up for it. If you want a stylish SUV that behaves like a sports sedan and still lasts decades, the CX-5 is your pick. Y1. Lexus RX. Taking the crown is the king of dependable luxury, the Lexus RX. This SUV practically invented the luxury crossover segment back in 1998, and 25 years later, it's still unmatched. According to What Car's reliability survey, the RX scored an astonishing 98.8%, beating every other luxury SUV in the world. The 2016-2022 RX 350 and RX 450h hybrid are the sweet spot. Both use a 3.5L V6 and 8-speed automatic, but the hybrid adds power and better fuel economy, around 32 mpg combined. These cars routinely cross 300,000 miles with minimal repairs and retain up to 60% of their value after 5 years. You can buy one used, enjoy it for a decade, and still sell it for a great price. In short, this is the definition of peace of mind on wheels. Bonus, SUVs to avoid. Now, before you rush to the dealership, here are 2 SUVs you should never buy, no matter how tempting the deals look. 2. Jeep Wrangler 2012-2020. Yes, it's iconic. Yes, it looks cool. But recent Wranglers are riddled with electrical issues, oil leaks, and the infamous death wobble. Even new models face poor crash ratings and reliability scores below 50%. Unless you enjoy spending weekends at the repair shop, steer clear. Number 1. GMC Yukon 6.2L V8. A powerful engine that's also a ticking time bomb. The 6.2L version has been plagued by lifter failures, stalling, and engine knocking, costing thousands to repair. There you have it. 7 SUVs that will outlive most cars on the road, and 2 that might outlive your savings account. Remember, reliability isn't just about the badge on the hood, it's about how you maintain it. Oil changes, transmission fluid, and smart driving habits can make any of these SUVs last decades. If you found this list useful, hit the like button. And for more videos that help you buy smarter and drive longer, subscribe and check out our next video.